Hey everyone, we are here with Michael and Deborah from Florida, and they have been gracious enough to show us this amazing cabin they have. What is this thing called again?
It's called an Excel Aft Corner Suites.
It is beautiful. It might be the best suite on the ship. We're going to show it to you right now. As we enter the suite, the first thing you'll notice is that there are separate living room and bedroom areas. And here you have a sectional sofa, large screen TV, mini fridge, storage spaces, and a table and chairs. And here comes the pièce de résistance of this Excel Aft Corner Suite, and that is the balcony and the view that comes along with it. Now, this wraparound balcony is made for entertaining with features like a dining area, day bed, plenty of lounge-type seating, and yes, this suite even has a private hot tub. Once you're back inside, you'll find the bedroom with a desk and vanity area, another large screen TV, king-size bed, and for all those fancy clothes you brought for formal night, the suite features a walk-in closet. Continuing on, there's an ample-sized bathroom with large shower and double sink, plus a separate private room for the toilet and an extra sink. All suites include priority check-in and express boarding, priority main dining room time assignments, priority debarkation at all ports, 2 large bottles of water, pillow top mattress, and bathrobes. And there are also amenities exclusive to these Carnival XL suites, and those are complimentary access to Loft 19, plus priority cabana reservations, dedicated concierge phone line, guaranteed reservations at most specialty dining spots, sparkling wine and fruit basket upon your arrival, bottomless bubbles soft drink package, complimentary room service, on-demand movies and laundry service, upgraded bathroom amenities, and a coffee maker. If you enjoyed this tour of the Mardi Gras XL Aft Corner Suite, please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the Cruise World with that notification bell on. And remember, life is short. Cruising is fun.